What's up, everybody? This is FrogZilla, and today I'm going to be changing my shocks out that MotoNoggin gave me a while back. So stay tuned. I will be replacing these with one of these. They're about, well, right now they're set up about an inch taller than the ones I have, and I think I'll probably have to readjust my front forks as well. It takes a T50 to get that off of there. Can you see how bad the gasket, the seal is around that bolt? That one's smashed into, it's all rusted. They've been bottoming out like crazy, and I'll get them changed out, and we'll see the big difference when I'm over. I'm not going to video everything. Alright, in order to get this Harbor Freight jack stand under here, because I have no clearance, I had to put the back tire on the board to raise it up, and I'm still not sure if it's going to slide under there, but it doesn't fit under there real good anyway. But once you strap it down, it's alright. Alright, y'all, I got it up on the jack. It's not setting level, it's swinging way heavy in the back, but I got the tire off the ground. About to take my T50. Yep, T50. And exchange these shocks. And I'll get back with you when I'm done. Alright, I got the shocks on there, and they look so much better. One thing about living out in the country, there's somebody always out on a four-wheeler. I hope you can see how bad and cracked those really are. Hey, they got chunks. These heads are not as thick. You can see they're not as thick as the new ones. So I didn't have to use none of my spacers. Actually, even the bolts, these go in here just to make the bolts fit right. And I didn't even need to do that. That's all they're good for. I had to use my old schmo pipe wrench to get this nut off, which is right here. And a bit ate it all up. It was froze up pretty good. So if I can't get it off with this, and then I can't beat it off with this, then I don't know. Anyhow, everybody, I got my new shocks on. It looks a whole lot better. Let's see how it sits. Well, I can tell a big old difference sitting on it. Sitting much higher. I'm not squatting, sitting on it. I don't feel like I'm sitting in a 1970s lawn chair. It's much nicer with it higher off the ground. And I'm going to take it for a short ride and see how it feels. And if I want to raise it up some more, if I don't like the stance of it, which is kind of level now, when I lowered it down the forks so I can raise the front end up another at least 1.5 inches. But anyhow, that's the FrogZilla saying peace out.